Good morning, everybody. I'm Matt Bustle with Solutions to Low Voltage. I hope y'all are having a blessed Tuesday. Again, we're back here at this large manufacturing facility. You're like, it doesn't look like manufacturing. Well, we're in the admin section. This is where the clean work is. This is where the carpet is. This is where the painted walls are. We talked yesterday about the cubicles. What we're going to do is we're going to show you what we've done with these cubicles. The cube guys have got them all nice and set up. And yesterday we talked about pre-lacing the cubicles. That's extremely important. So when these guys showed up today, we had our cables staged on the ground. All the techs had to do was come back in here and lace the cubes. I'm going to show you guys real quick what lacing the cubes is all about. Protecting your cables during installation and taking care of them so they last for the long term. Again, the cubes have already been set, and I'll show you what we've got going on. We talked yesterday about having the spines coming down, or the cables coming down from the ceiling into the bullnose plates to feed the spines. In this case, the spines are a little off. This happens all the time. It's not a reason to get upset. It's just a time to make it look better, to make it look right, and to do it right. What the guys are going to do is they're going to put some flex or some spiral wrap on this before it enters the spine. As you can tell, there's a lot of cables in here. There's 2 cables per desk. There's going to be 12 desks. That makes 24 total cables. That's a wad of cables. As you can see, we drop off 2 cables at each cube spot. We also talked about the electrical. It will be waiting for them. They use the whips. Real simple stuff, guys. It's all about doing it right. I really like how the technicians put the Velcro on there. Everything's coming through there nice and clean. As you can tell, they drug them through there one time, then they drug them back through the other way, and that made sure all the cables stayed straight. Thanks for joining us again for part 2 of the cubes. Next time we're back with you, we'll show you the final jacks and the terminations. You guys have a blessed day.